Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, dear student. In today's session, we are going to start our sum number 12 from the exercise standard 12 accountancy chapter 5 admission of a partner. Okay. Rutu and Prince are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3. The balance sheet of their firm as on 31/7/2017 was as under. Okay. New partner admitted Manan. Manan has brought his personal furniture 75,000 as a capital, and out of creditor 60,000 is payable to Manan, which is to be transferred to his capital account. Fine. In the sum, adjustment number 3. Manan will given one fifth share in future. Okay. It means in this sum, okay, old ratio of Prithvi and Princey is 5:3. Manan is admitted as one-fifth share in the firm. Fine. No other information is given. So new ratio and sacrifice ratio of partner Prithvi and Princey is remaining same as 5:3. It means 5:3 old ratio of the old partners will become as a sacrifice ratio of old partners. Okay. So goodwill will distribute between old partners in their ratio of 5:3. Fine. Now first adjustment, Manan will bring his personal furniture of rupees 75,000 as a capital. Okay. It means partner's capital account credit side. First we have to write down buy furniture account in Manan, amount of rupees 75,000. Okay. Same entry will be given on balance sheet asset side, furniture of rupees 75,000. Okay. Then next adjustment is given that out of creditors of rupees 60,000 are payable to Manan, which is to be transferred to his capital account. Okay. It means partner's capital account credit side, we have to write down by creditors account ₹60,000. Okay. Next effect balance sheet liability side, we have to write down creditors. Fine. Total creditors is of rupees 1,20,000. Okay. Minus payable to Manan 60,000 rupees. Okay. Out of creditors 60,000 are payable to Manan as a capital. Fine. Then it is given that Manan will bring 45,000 as goodwill in cash. Okay. First, cash and bank account debit side to premium for goodwill account 45,000. Okay. Second effect, partner's current account credit side by premium for a goodwill account. Okay. Are distributed between all partners as per their sacrifice ratio. It means all ratio is our sacrifice ratio. Okay. 45,000. Okay. First partner Prithvi 28,125. Okay. Second partner Princey 16,000. 875 rupees. Fine. Now next adjustment is goodwill of firm is valued at rupees 3 lakh. Okay. Total value of goodwill is of rupees 3 lakh. Out of that, new partner share, it means 1 by 5. 3 lakh multiplied by 1 by 5, it means 60,000 rupees of goodwill. New partner should bring 60,000 rupees as goodwill in cash. But out of that 60,000, new partner has brought only 45,000 as goodwill in cash. Okay, it means remaining 15,000 rupees will distributed between old partners as per their old sacrifice ratio. Okay, new partner debited and old partner will be credited for that 50,000 rupees. Okay, partner current account debit side, first we have to write down 2 rupees current account. Okay, fine. 15,000 9375. Then 2 Princess current account 5625. Okay, new partner current account debited and old partner current account will be credited. Okay, now credit side we will write down by Manan's current account. Okay, 9,375 rupees in Prithvi and 5,625 rupees in Prince. Okay, fine. Now next adjustment, credit purchase of rupees 15,000 which was not recorded in creditor's account and purchase account but it is included in closing stock. Fine. First effect, revaluation account credit side. To creditors account. Okay, amount of rupees 15,000. Okay, second effect, balance sheet liability side plus unrecorded purchase amount of rupees 15,000. Okay, total creditor is of rupees 1,20,000. Out of that 60,000 payable to Manan as a capital and unrecorded purchase is of rupees 15,000. Okay, total amount is of rupees, remaining amount total creditor account 75,000 rupees. Right. Liability of workman compensation is rupees 28,000. Okay. Regulation. A balance sheet liability side, provision for workman compensation reserve. Okay, total an amount of rupees 28,000. Fine. In balance sheet liability side, workman compensation reserve total amount is of rupees 60,000. Out of that 60,000, provision for workman compensation reserve is of rupees 28,000. Remaining amount is of rupees 42,000. And that amount will be distributed between old partners as per their old ratio. It means sacrifice ratio 5:3. Fine. We will write that amount on the partner's current account credit side by workman compensation reserve account. Okay, total amount is of rupees 60,000. Out of that 60,000, 28,000 provision for workman compensation reserve, balance sheet liability side, remaining amount is of rupees 32,000. Okay, that amount will distributed between the partners as per the ratio 5:3. Okay, for first partner 20,000 and second partner 12,000 rupees. Fine. Now, next adjustment is interest on investment rupees 24,000 is not recorded. Okay. Okay. Balance revaluation account credit side by interest on investment account. Okay, amount of rupees 24,000. Second effect, balance sheet asset side. Okay, balance sheet asset side interest on investment 24,000. Okay. One adjustment number 7, market value of stock is of rupees 45,000 is rupees 36,000. Okay, it means for stock is of rupees 45,000. Okay, now that stock value is of rupees 36,000. It means revaluation account credit side, debit side to stock account amount of rupees 9,000. Second effect, balance sheet asset side stock 60,000 minus decreases 9,000, total 51,000 remaining amount. Okay, after completing all adjustment, now we are going to solve the balance sheet. First, bank account is of rupees 60,000, cash and bank account debit side 60,000 rupees. Okay, then debtors 90,000, debtors 90,000 rupees. Okay, then stock, after that building. Okay, building is of rupees 4,50,000 rupees. Okay, after building, investment is of rupees 1,05,000. Fine. Okay, now balance sheet liability side. First, workmen's profit sharing fund liability side. Workmen's profit sharing fund. Okay, amount of rupees 30,000. Then a current account. Okay, rupees 1,50,000. Princey 1,95,000. Okay, capital account of Ruthvi and Princey 1,20,000. Ruthvi and Princey 90,000. Okay, after completing all adjustment and balance sheet entry, now we are going to find out the balance of each account. Okay, now first totaling the revaluation account. There is no difference in the revaluation account. Okay, debit side total is of rupees 24,000, same credit side total is of rupees 24,000. Okay, by totaling partners capital account, the credit side of Ruthvi account is of rupees 1,20,000, Princey is of rupees 90,000, and Manan account is of rupees 1,35,000. Okay, same amount is difference in their partners capital account. That amount will written as a to balance CD and will transfer to balance sheet liability side capital account. Ruthvi 1,20,000, Princey 90,000, Manan 1,35,000. Okay, total capital is of rupees 3,40,000. Okay, Now partner's current account Ritvi that credit side total is of rupees 2,75,500. Okay, total amount is on difference. Okay, Princey credit side total is of rupees 2,29,500. Same amount is as difference. Okay, that amount will return as a to balance CD and credit balance. That amount will be transferred to balance sheet. Liability side current account rupees 2,75,500, Princey 2,29,500. Total current account is of rupees 4,37,000. Partner's current account debit side Manan. Manan account is of rupees 15,000. Credit side there is no entry. It means difference amount of rupees 15,000. That difference amount will return as a by balance CD and transfer to partner's current account. This balance will transfer to balance sheet asset side current account Manan 15,000. Okay, by closing cash and bank account total amount is of rupees 1,05,000. Difference amount is of rupees 1,05,000 by balance CD. That amount will be transferred to balance sheet asset side cash balance is of rupees 1,05,000. Okay, balance sheet liability side is of total 9,15,000. Same balance sheet asset side total is also an amount of rupees 9,15,000. Balance sheet liability 9,15,000. Balance sheet asset side 9,15,000. Okay, in today's session we have completed our sum number 14. We will continue our chapter in next session. Goodbye. Take care all of you.